On September 23rd, 1965, our founder, Professor Per-Ingvar Brånemark, treated the world's first dental implant patient, Gösta Larsson. That moment sparked a revolution in dentistry and began a journey that has transformed millions of lives.
I had this surgery done yesterday, 27 hours ago, done.
J'ai dit que j'allais être une nouvelle personne. Il y a avant et après.
I feel like I could run a marathon right now. I feel that good.
At Nobel Biocare, our purpose has always been clear: to help clinicians treat more patients better.
I'm going to take a picture and send it to my dad first. And I can't wait to go to bed tonight and not have to take them out. It's a big thing.
We are here for the people who want to smile again, to eat without pain, to speak with confidence, to live fully.
My grandparents all have dentures, and watching them walk around without them was always just, as a kid, was kind of horrifying. It just took me back to that, and I was thinking, wow, I don't want to look at this for the rest of my life.
Every innovation we made, every partnership we built, has been in service of that mission. And as we honor this milestone, we look ahead with the same belief that guided us from the very beginning, that every patient deserves a chance to live life to the fullest.